Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change your TikTok notification sound. TikTok does not currently have a built-in option to customize the notification sound directly within the app. However, you can change TikTok's notification sound on your device by customizing your Android settings. Here's how you can do it. First, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap App Management depending on your device. Then tap App List. Next, locate TikTok in the app list. Scroll through the list of apps or use the search bar to find TikTok. Tap on TikTok to open its app-specific settings. Next, access Notification Settings. Choose Notifications, then Manage Notifications or Notification Style. You'll see different notification categories, for example, likes, comments, direct messages. Tap on a specific category, for example, direct messages. Look for an option labeled Sound or Advanced. Tap Sound to choose a new notification sound from your device's available ringtones. Repeat for other categories if you want different sounds for different types of notifications. By following these steps, you can personalize your TikTok notification sound on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.